In this video, I am going to show you how to access cPanel in Bluehost. So let's see how we can do it. So to access cPanel in Bluehost, at first we are going to log into Bluehost dashboard. So go to bluehost.com and then from the top we are going to click on login. And now we are going to enter our Bluehost username and password. And after that we are going to click on login again. And this will take us to the dashboard of our Bluehost account. Now to access the cPanel of our Bluehost hosting, from the left menu we are going to click on Advanced, and this will take us to the cPanel of our Bluehost web hosting. And here we will see all the cPanel options, like if we want to access the cPanel email, and from here we can do it easily. Here under the email accounts we are going to see all the cPanel emails. Next is file section. Here we will see all the files of our Bluehost cPanel. Next is databases. Here we will see all the databases of our WordPress websites. Next is domains, and from here we can do all the settings for our domains. Next is metrics. From here we can see all the metrics of our Bluehost web hosting. And next is security. From here we can easily perform security tasks, like we can install SSL on our WordPress website, etc. Next is software, like if we want to install WordPress or any other CMS on our domain, we can do it easily from here. So these are the most useful Bluehost cPanel options. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.